Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Tonight I'm going to show you how I made this pepper steak. If you enjoyed this video, please do not forget to like, subscribe, and comment below. Alright guys, so I'm going to get started by seasoning my steak with my seasoning mixture. I'm using the beef round strips. In the market, just look for the already cut strips that says stir fry on it. That would be perfect for pepper steak. My seasoning mixture consists of seasoned salt, black pepper, garlic powder, Montreal steak seasoning, Sazon, and black pepper. If I didn't already say black pepper. So I'm just going to go ahead, sprinkle. This also has adobo in it. So I'm just going to season my steak and rub it together. I've already rinsed my steak off with some cold water. That's all you really need to do. Want to make sure your seasonings are getting into your steak. And it's actually the morning, so I'm going to transfer this to a bowl. I'm going to let it sit in the refrigerator for a while until dinner, and then I'm going to cook it tonight. Alright guys, we're going to start by pan-searing our steak. I have about 3 tablespoons of olive oil in my saucepan on medium heat. So I'm just going to add my steak. And I'm going to cook until it's brown. Alright guys, while the steak is cooking, I'm going to show you how I make the sauce. I'll be using a tablespoon of hoisin sauce. About a tablespoon of Grace Browning. A half a cup of beef broth, and then about a quarter cup of white rice vinegar. So I'm going to mix all of that together and set it to the side. Also, 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. Alright guys, so this is what your steak looks like when it's fully cooked. It's been about 15 minutes, so it cooks pretty fast. The next thing I'm going to do is add my sauce mixture. So I'm going to allow the sauce to set in. I'm going to cover the pan and I'm just going to let it cook for a little. Alright, our sauce is all cooked into our steak. So I'm going to add some fresh onions, garlic, red, yellow, green bell peppers, and orange. These bell peppers are going to add some color and some flavor to our pepper steak. So I'm just going to let those sit right on top. Cover it back up so those can steam. And we're going to let that steam for about 5 minutes. Alright guys, this is what our pepper steak looks like when it is all done. So I'm going to go ahead and plate everything for you. I serve it with white rice and broccoli, and I'll show you guys the final result. There you have it, guys. This recipe was so simple, but this came out so good. It was so tasty, guys.